Got a new iPhone and noticed that your WhatsApp data didn't transfer over properly? Don't worry. Welcome back to tenorshare, everyone. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to iPhone using iCloud, a new official method, and a PC software solution. Let's get started. Method 1. Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone with 2024 new method. First, on your old iPhone, open up WhatsApp and head to Settings. Tap Chats, then select Transfer Chats to iPhone. This is a brand new feature that lets you transfer your chats securely and privately. No iCloud involved. Next, grab your new iPhone, download WhatsApp, and register it with the same phone number you used on your old phone. Once you're set up, you'll see a QR code appear on your new phone. Make sure both phones are connected to stable Wi-Fi. Then head back to your old iPhone and use WhatsApp to scan that QR code on your new phone. This will connect the 2 devices and the chat transfer will start. Now, keep both phones close to each other and unlocked during the process. Once the transfer is complete, tap Next on your new iPhone. Enter your WhatsApp name and tap Done to finish the setup. All your chats, photos, and videos will now be on your new phone. Easy, right? And if for some reason the transfer gets stuck, don't stress. You can try next 2 method. Method 2. Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone with iCloud. First off, make sure you back up your WhatsApp chats on your old iPhone. Head to Settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup. If you don't see the backup option, go to your iCloud settings, tap Show All, and make sure iCloud Drive is enabled. Then scroll down and make sure the WhatsApp toggle is turned on. Once your backup is done, grab your new iPhone, verify your phone number, and when it detects the backup, just tap Restore Chat History. After that, set up your profile and boom, your entire chat history is restored just like that. Super easy, right? However, iCloud's free storage is limited to just 5 GB. If you're running out of space and want a solution without storage limitations or the need to reset your device, you can try the next method. Method 3. Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone with iCareFone Transfer. Check the link in the description and download iCareFone Transfer. Then launch iCareFone Transfer on your computer and head to the WhatsApp section. Plug in both your old and new iPhones. Make sure the transfer direction is correct, old iPhone to new iPhone. Hit that transfer button. Heads up, this will overwrite the existing WhatsApp data on your new phone. But that's totally fine, since we're bringing over everything from your old device. Next, iCareFone will back up your WhatsApp chats on your old phone. Once that's done, log into WhatsApp on your new iPhone. Don't worry if there's no data just yet. Now, jump back to iCareFone and click Logged In to complete the final step. Having trouble turning off Find My iPhone? You might need to disable stolen device protection first. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down to Stolen Device Protection and toggle it off. Keep in mind, your device will need about an hour to fully disable this feature. After that, you'll be able to turn off Find My iPhone and turn off Find My iPhone to start the transfer. The process only takes a few minutes, even for large amounts of data. And then all your chats, photos and videos have transferred over perfectly. It's super easy to use. Feel free to try it out. If you don't have access to a computer, iCareFone also offers a mobile app version. Try it out and see the results for yourself. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.